If you've got young kids at home, chances are you're always on the hunt for something fun to do. Bonus points if it's outdoors in nature, away from screens, and if it involves reading or something educational. I'm joined with Kristen Wilkinson, Community Conservation Fellow for the City of Greeley Natural Areas and Trails. She's going to tell us about the newest, most adventurous thing that they've been working on. Kristen, tell me about this storybook.
Well, we're really excited to roll out My Great Adventure with Nana, written and illustrated by Armando Silva in collaboration with Great Outdoors Colorado and funded by the Weld Community Foundation's Littler Youth Education Fund.
Got it. And so how did this book come to be with all of these partners and collaborators?
Well, we really wanted to encourage folks to get outside with their kids and to experience the wonder of exploring nature and especially inspiring that wonder in the next generation. So Armando took all of those ideas and he visited our newest natural area where we're standing here today, and he took inspiration from the landscapes around Greeley and put all of that together in a story about a little girl and her Nana visiting a natural area.
It's so cute. I love that front cover too. Where can people find this book?
Well, the book can be picked up at any of a number of locations, libraries in Greeley, the Poudre Learning Center, and the books are all available free of charge.
Fabulous. And is it online?
Yes. So the books are published by Unite for Literacy, and on their website, you can read a digital copy of the book and listen to a recording while you read it.
I know I have a little one, and she's always so excited when we get to do something outdoors or go camping or go to a park. How can we get families involved and excited about these natural areas?
Well, I think the first page of this book really captures a child's excitement about getting outside. So it says, "Today is finally here. Today, today, today. Nana is taking me on my first adventure. I wonder what we will touch, smell, hear, or see." So what we want folks to remember when they're getting kids outside is that it doesn't have to be a big adventure. You don't have to drive far from home. Just a simple visit to your local park or natural area can be a big adventure for little kids. So we want parents and caregivers to really connect their kids with the nature around them. Take the time to examine that tree or look for bugs, and make sure that you always pack lots of water and snacks to make sure it's a fun, positive experience for kids.
Wonderful. Kristen, thanks so much for being here.
Thanks, Amy.
For more information on Greeley's newest natural area, more about the storybook, and that on-site event, visit speakupgreeley.com.